Well, it's a glorious day. We're out here on a boat. Got my boys with me, and we remembered to put the plug in so it didn't sink. Thank you all for suggesting that we do that. That was a great idea. And it's a beautiful sunny day. God is blessing it. He's not blessing our engine. We got water coming out of cracks and it won't take its throttle, but that's all right. We're on a boat. We're enjoying the day. Glad to have you along. I want to thank everybody who supported me through this build. Keep on supporting me. We got to put an engine in it, and it'll be top-notch, beautiful, all new, all the way around. So here we are, Maynard Creek Water Park. Beautiful place to be moseying around. We are in mosey mode right here. If we go any faster than that, it won't take us gas. That's all she'll do, and it'll start spitting and sputtering. Plus, the more we do that, the more water leaks out of the side of the engine block. That's all right. We'll get it. We're winning. Started from the bottom, now we're here, as they say. Somebody's burning something over there. I think they got a leaf fire going or something. Yeah, we gotta get this thing stone reliable, and I can bring my wife out here, my mother-in-law, and get the whole family on the boat. Ride around and have a good old time. I'm enjoying this. I might just park it and take a nap. Dustin's trying to figure out how to get his head supported so he can take a nap.